Procedural iSpikes Geometry Nodes Asset. This kind of procedural asset will save you time. iSpike Object Number 1. You can select the iSpike style using numbers 1 through 4. This geometry nodes model has viewport resolution and render resolution controls. Viewport resolution, lower it for smoother real-time work in the viewport. Render resolution, crank it up for high-quality final renders. Base refers to the thickness of the platform from which iSpikes grow. Sometimes, you can turn off the viewport display of the modifier in the Modifier tab to get better direction for drawing curves in edit mode. The rotations factor helps you control the tilt of the iSpikes along a pre-calculated direction. The target setting aligns the orientation of all iSpikes towards the position of a specified object. For optimal results, this object should be an empty object. For the Snap to Surface panel, I prepared a collection containing a plane and one monkey head mesh. In edit mode, using the Draw tool with Surface Draw mode enabled, allows you to snap your curve directly onto surfaces in the viewport. After snapping to the surface, you can use the offset parameter, which displaces the curve along the normal vectors of the surface. The length factor controls the length of the iSpikes along the curve. The two min and to max values control the size range or contrast between the smallest and largest forms of the iSpikes. The parameters in the Distribute panel allow you to control the density of iSpikes on the base platform. However, be cautious. Setting the main density value to high can significantly impact your computer's performance. You can choose separate materials for the base and the iSpikes. Each item is stacked with 4 slots for different materials related to the iSpikes theme. Feel free to explore your iSpike concept ideas using the Draw button in edit mode. Each curve object can follow a separate empty object. If you want the mesh from this model, check the hidden panel at the bottom of the Modifier tab. Enable the checkbox there to apply the visual geometry to the mesh. Looking briefly at the parameter panel, this object number 2 looks quite similar to object 1, with only a few minor differences and a different way of working with its core curve object. The forms factor will help you merge the bottom vertices of the spikes to the base mesh.